Okhulumela uphiko oliphenya amacala omphakathi iNPA eGauteng uthi leli cala lihlehliselwe ukunikeza umbuso isikhathi esanele ukuthola eminye imininingwane yabasolwa.
So as a state, we are not yet ready. We've mentioned in court that we tried, the investigating officer tried in vain to verify the address of Ms. Hope Shongwe. So that too is still outstanding, including the profiling of both of the accused.
Umnyango wezemfundo uqinisekisile ukuthi umsolwa wokuqala ongowesifazane oneminyaka engama-26 ungomunye wezisebenzi zakulesi sikole.
So we continue to monitor this case very closely. That's why we decided to come here at court, but also continue to support the family, or families rather, and the school community.
Abasolwa basagcinwe esitokisini.